What's up guys, it's John the Pilot. If your family's addicted to Costco just like mine, you'll probably enjoy this and you're probably looking for some leisure line rocking chairs. Check it out. Every time we go to Costco, we probably spend at bare minimum $300. It's like right when we walk in that store, I can just hear the bank account go blah, 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 blah. What do you think, babe?
I like them. I like the color. What do you think?
Yeah, they're comfortable. What do you think, the front porch?
Yeah.
All right.
I like it.
Put in the comments how much money you and your family spend each time you guys go to Costco. It'd be interesting for everybody to see. Okay, so the intent is to pretty much get rid of these chairs. Unfortunately, my wife bought them from Wool Market and they're made out of some type of wood, but they're just not holding up to the elements. I would not recommend buying these. They actually were sitting right over here, and I guess the Florida weather just destroyed them. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these Adirondacks that we bought from Costco a few years ago. They're holding up great. They're a little dirty. I'm gonna go ahead and clean them up, but what I'm gonna do is put them in the back, and then we're gonna put the brand new Costco stuff up here. All right, it's awesome that it came with this tool, but we're gonna do a little upgrade, make things a little bit faster. Oh. Yep, that's a rocking chair. Looks good to me. Well, they're pretty easy to put together and they're made out of that plastic PVC stuff, so they should last pretty long. And the Adirondacks that I'm putting in the back now have been lasting forever. You just need to pressure wash them. Pretty good find. They are pretty expensive. I think they were $189 a piece. Something to think about, but otherwise, I like them. We'll really get the true test when my mother-in-law gets home. I'll get some footage of that. All right, here's a tire brush from the auto parts store. Oh, gotta turn the hose on. Just a little elbow grease. They cleaned up better. I mean, it's not like what a pressure washer would do, but they're super easy to maintain. And they're by Leisure Line, same thing as those rocking chairs. Pretty cool. What do you think, Grammy?
They're very comfortable.
Very comfortable?
Very
What do you think, buddy?
I love them.
Go ahead and sit on one, bud. What do you think? You like it? Yeah? It looks like it's Liam approved as well. Cool. There you go.
We'll be rocking all afternoon.
Awesome. Well, obviously they are family approved, so we'll see how they hold up. If you found any value in this video, please give me a like. Please throw some comments down below. Subscribe. I got more coming out. I appreciate all the other subscribers for hanging on. Otherwise, John the Pilot. See ya.